All right, guys, you gotta check this out. Instead of writing a portfolio like it's 2022, this guy created an AI clone for his portfolio.
This is an AI version of me.
When you visit his page, you're literally talking to his AI clone. Isn't that insane? And with the average data job receiving at least 150 applications, sometimes as much as 1,000 plus, we data analysts have to find more and more creative ways to stand out from the competition and get a job in this market. And what could be more creative than your video on a portfolio page? But where the creativity comes in is you don't actually have to even record yourself. That's right. So if you're not used to getting on video like me, you could just build an AI clone to do it for you. And we're going to be using VEED to build this, who are also the sponsor of today's video. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are in the VEED Fabric 1.0 page. And again, this will be linked in the description, so you'll have a way to navigate here. And from here, as you can see, we can upload image and an audio file and get a talking head like this. And so let's just go through that. It's really simple. There's also an API if you want to connect via an API. All that stuff is here, very detailed documentation, but they have a no-code kind of plug and play way to do this. So first, let's grab an image. So let's see. I'm gonna grab this very simple image I took. Probably not the best looking picture. My face looks a little shiny, but that's okay. And then we're gonna grab an audio sample. So I just recorded an audio sample of what I want the talking head to say. So I throw in that audio file, and then now I'm just gonna run it. And one thing I'll mention while the video is generating is the cost is about 8 cents per second at 480p and 15 cents per second at 720p. Honestly, a really good price compared to competition. But something to keep in mind if this is something that you end up using regularly. And let's say you were to use this for something like LinkedIn video, or you want to put multiple videos in your portfolio, maybe one for each project that you're describing. The cost is so much cheaper than what you would pay for like an editor, for example. And if you're just doing projects like this is a really good solution. Okay, and our video is done. Let's check it out real quick.
Hi, I'm Matt Mike. I'm a senior data analyst with a specialty in RBI and business intelligence. I made the leap into business operations and eventually found my home in data, first as a business analyst and later as a data and BI specialist, and even a product analyst. Currently, I work as a senior data analyst with the public services, where I leverage Power BI and Snowflake to build recording for our team.
Honestly, not bad. It had some like awkward pauses in it, but I think that's because the audio I gave it had some awkward pauses. So, you know, if I was going to put this together for real to put like in my portfolio I'm showing to professionals, I would make sure that the audio I give it is like super clean and rehearsed. But for a first pass, pretty good, pretty impressive. Okay, so now you have a video. Most people watch videos on mute, and no captions means no views. So whether you're posting something on LinkedIn or you're posting something on your portfolio, as a content creator, I've learned that it's always helpful with your videos to have subtitles, because if someone's watching in a public place, they're not going to turn the sound on. So we're going to go over the subtitle feature here with VEED. So first, we're going to download this, and then we're going to go to the subtitle model here, and we just give it an input. So we're just going to give it our video that we just created. We got some presets here. We'll just go with the standard one it opts you into, and we're just going to run that. Okay, and then here we go. Now we have our video with subtitles. I'd say this subtitle style is not my favorite, but again, there's like a bunch of presets here that you can play with. So for now, this works. So now we have our video with subtitles. Let's go ahead and download this. Now that we have the video with subtitles downloaded, we could run over to our portfolio. So here we are in my portfolio. I built this in Notion, and if you're interested in building a portfolio just like this, go ahead and check out the video I've linked on how to build a portfolio in Notion. But right now I just have a still image, and I want to replace this with my video introduction. So I'll go to upload video, and we can upload a file. This is the one with subtitles, and then boom, we have our video in our portfolio rather than just a still image. I'd either like put it here in the overview section for each of the projects, or I would put it in the actual project summary. But you can see how you could pretty quickly and easily create like multiple videos for your portfolio, or just have one really descriptive one. It's the video finished rendering. So here it is there. Pretty awesome. So again, I kind of threw in a video there for the sake of the demo, but how quickly we were able to throw that together is pretty cool. cool. And I think this is such a cool idea, and I think that there's a lot that you can do with it. So stay tuned, because I want to work on making AI clone that is a little bit more responsive. Video is a really good way to help your portfolio stand out rather than just having still images. You upload the photo, you upload the script or the audio, and you have a finished captioned video in just a few minutes for a very cheap cost. Throw this in your portfolio. You could create videos for LinkedIn with it if you're trying to build in public during your job search. And this is how you stand out in front of thousands of different applicants. And again, you don't have to touch any code or anything for this. VEED's main platform, no code solution, does all this for you in one place. The link is in the description, or you could scan the QR code right here on screen. Go ahead, try it out. And if you're building your personal brand to land a better data job, watch this next, where I break down the exact LinkedIn setup that gets analysts noticed by hiring managers. Thanks again to VEED for sponsoring the video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.